So welcome guys for the refreshment session. We are going to talk about the points which I'm going to uh, explain it once again about how to validate the break-up structure levels, how to trade the sessions high and low, how to validate the entries and refine the entry confirmation. Okay, how to validate the higher time frame S&D, breaker broke OB, and liquidity levels, and how to act during the news. We have also adapting new strategies to our current one. So you need to understand how to take that money management, consistency rules, as well as journaling traits. So the topics are clear. I'm going to just go a quick review on that. It's not new for many of you guys. If you see complicated, you can ask questions. So I can explain once again. Right now, if I see any opportunity also, I'm going to talk with you guys and share it. Okay. Now, how to validate break-off structure? This is lower time frame entries confirmation. Okay. Let's go to yesterday scenario. Now, yesterday we had an important level here for taking buys. Now, we know, okay, this is good level for taking buys. And we know that the level can be have 3 criterias or even 4 criterias to get tap and then react. So what are those criteria? It could tap here on the top and move up. It can tap in the middle of the range, move up. Can liquidate the session and move up the S&D totally. Or it can go totally downside. So everyone need to wait for the pattern to confirm what is the clear price action there and then enter for the trade. Now on the left side, okay, we know this is a bullish. BOS is there, high is taken, imbalances are there, order block is there, and it is a bullish continuation of previous levels. Swing, sell, like bearish swings has been taken. Okay, so okay, we have enough confirmation that this level is strong enough, but it's important to validate the entries, to refine your entries to avoid losing trades. Okay, so as per my data, I gathered information and we also have a lot of strategies in the market. Okay, we know that CHOCH is something important to know that on lower time frame. Okay, we have direction to upside, but with the CHOCH we could get a liquidity concept. In every S&D, you need to find what type of the liquidity can be taken. There are a lot of concepts about liquidity, like let's say H4 break the low of previous H4 and then return back to up. That is liquidity. Sessions high and low. That is liquidity. Daily low, if it's taken and then came back to the range to go to upside, that is liquidity. All right. So we have a lot of things called liquidity. Now, what is important for you to have a pattern which is going for liquidity concept. Now, we know that this FU candle, okay, which break the low and close up, this is liquidity concept. Before that, we had two dojis and decisions, and then uh, we got liquidity, okay, taken liquidity of the lows. So what you are going to do, you're going to say, okay, first confirmation is CHOCH, stop hunt is done, so and the doji is taken, the order block low is taken. So I have liquidity of, okay, not audible, audio is fine, all right. Guys, if I have something about audio, let me know. Open the mic and talk, okay, because I might not look at the chat. All right, so we have a few candle on 30 minutes. On M15 also we have. So that is a few candle closed above the important resistance level. So now you want to know, okay, Perpetual said for scalping, it is good to go for here, 15 pips. Yes, but if you are taking a swing trade or a long-term trade, how to enter with proper stop loss and confirmation? Because the stop loss for the level is 33, 34 pips. You have 2 pips also for uh, a, a broker, what you call spread. Now, how to reduce that one? Very simple. You have to go for M1, M5. These are, okay. So you know that before the FU to upside, you have a clean liquidation of these levels and clean move. This, you see this move, volume move, imbalances, green candle. So now you can identify that FU is strong. This is number one. Close above important fresh levels. It's number two. And with that, you need to understand that now, if this is your structure, previous structure, okay, this range plus breakout, complete breakout. Guys, when I'm saying range, you have MW patterns, okay, then liquidation, co continuation till upside, closed above, tap the full of the previous range. Like if this is 10 pips, we have to move up 10 pips, okay? So then we can go for high probability retest. That is the only reason I send long position here, stop low below the level, 2 pips also. So total you have 21, 20, 200. That is my confirmation, okay? I don't have other secret. So I have charge, I have a few, I have BOS. So BOS, the range here, it's my order block. Retest of that should be good to go to upside. Now, when I'm scalping, I take 10 pips, 20 pips. First, uh, like full range retest, which is here, and then take your stop loss to entry. Then you have a full range retest, which was here. From that point, it should not come back. See, the worst case scenario, we have low volume, it's continued to up. So you have to get a trading rule when you get 1-to-1 and gold, not to let it come back to your entry. Okay? That is so clear, guys. Okay, that is the rule, that is the data we have. We made the rule for ourselves to know when to secure, when to keep a stop loss at entry. And then if you're looking only for these type of trades, you're not looking for scalping positions, then only you need to wait for SND levels. Do not wait for each session high and low or do something which screw your trading system. Now, for me, I am scalping these levels. I don't have a swing trades because that is my habit. I want to sleep. I don't have any running position. Okay. So it went up. Then you don't know how the market moved or how long it moved up, but it moved completely to upside without drawdown. So that's one you can check. And then, guys, we have on the left FU to upside. Retest of this FU one time happened, 2 times happened. You need to pay attention for scalping these FUs. Okay, I did not retest the M structure here because it's all the way moved third or fourth X of that structure. So then when it's moving full to downside, how to put fib level. In all previous video I mentioned, you can open this, 0, 1, minus 1, 2. It's recorded, I'm going to share it, don't worry. Okay, you don't need to take note. 0, 1, minus 1, 2, do it the same, line all clean, and then white color, that's it. I am putting fib I'm not using it as a as a tool of like those trades which are taking like 60%. No, I want to know if I have money for manipulation, like I have range, I create 20 pips. So for break of a structure should go that much up. If this is 15, should go 30 pips up. So retest will happen. High probability retest. This is how I am validating POS. Now, one of our member, Zeri, I think you guys know him. He told me also the high probability confirmation is to have a closing candle about that POS level. Yes, that is also very important information. You can hold that for yourself. And then when you see the closure and retest of the higher level, then we have retest to the downside. Now, that is how I refine my FU's entry. This is one scenario, one pattern. When you get FU, there are a lot of scenarios, at least three main scenarios. What are those three to refine? You're going to find on the chart everywhere. Now, here is POS, here is FU, and then retest of that level went up. You might find a lot of other scenarios, which we explained earlier. Okay, now, like this one, this is FU to upside. This is a structure, right? Did not come here. It come where on your M. Where is your M? This one. This is ranging. Okay, FU up. Now, where it retested? Top of the structure. Buys. This is Asian. Okay, this is your white cell. Because you need to see bearish structure to take sell. Fine. Another one. You get structure to downside. You see with FUs up, M higher. It's like diversion. Okay. Here, M structure retest, stop loss above, sell. A lot of interruption are there during New York, but you know that, okay, if you hold your position from here, stop loss here, 1 to 1 is 1, secure, and let's have runner. And beautiful drop. Okay? Simple as that is, guys. This is how to refine the entries. Now, next one, I'm going to talk about, this is done, how to trade the session high and lows. Now, you have, let's say, London session. New York come and take that high. So how you know it's taken or it's not taken? When you have a structure like this is your level. You don't have a range and breakout. So you're not bullish. You just should not take buy trades. Is that clear? Okay. You just should not take buy trade. Why? Because you did not get any structure for up. More important, you should get FU like fake out and then continuation to up. And then you get beautiful reaction to these levels. All right. And then here you secure some and then keep runners. It can go to more. This is how you take buys, sell opposite. For taking sells, it's also very clear. Now this is your level. You get fake out to downside. This is your imbalance move to up and you get church. Now you need a structure after chart. What is your structure? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is full of the range is your structure. It's going down. Okay. Here you need to take what? Sell. It should retest here. All right. If didn't retest, don't take any trade. That is how we validate. If you want to take as a ICT concept, like here, retest on the top and then take sell, it's up to you. But me, I am waiting for retracement here. This is London close, volume is low, it's fine. Now, it's given like here, it's put this one, this wick here, it give around 20 pips or maybe more even, okay? But it was very late. And then at the same time, on the left, we have S&D level. It moved to upside. And then see, S&D is a stronger decision. High and lows. So S&D is first. Session high lows, you have to trade it in this way. Here, Asian session, liquidated NY session, liquidated previous day high. It was easier to capture a trade. So how it happened? This is the Asian range. And now break out, charge. M closure below. Retest. That is going to be retest. 31 pips. Okay. This is how you are confirming church, BOS, and simple. You have rule-based entry, no tension. If you don't see it, don't take it. If you see dirty range, don't take it. We have a lot of opportunities in the market. Okay. So far it is clear about how to trade session high and lows. How to validate the entry confirmation, I just explained. How to validate higher time frame S&D, order block, breaker block, liquidity. See guys, on higher time frame, minimum is 4 hours plus. You remove the sessions, you remove daily, everything, you keep the chart clean. If your eyes, it's not like having a lot of noise inside your eyes, go to this one. Heikin-Ashi chart, it's giving you clean trends. Line chart is giving you another way to identify high and lows. Okay. So by end of the day, you have imbalance, you have order block, you have a stop hunt. These three things, keep in mind. What is your stop hunt? Let's say this is your level. Stop hunt down with fair value gaps with imbalance. All right. Here it will retest these levels. You're waiting for sell. Until we get imbalance to upside, that means sell all are cancelled because you got fair value gaps to up. Then retest, buy. Okay. Direction is clear now. Next. Here you see clean S&D to up. Here you see a clean fair value gap order block, liquidation, and then continuation to downside. These are S&D levels. Got it? So you're waiting for the retest to take the descent strong candle momentum, take the move to the upside. Now, here is our level. We don't know where it will fall down, but it's building liquidity to upside. We need to find fair value gap, break this trend, and then retest to continue to downside. So these are the simple breakout retest is giving you a clean direction. S&D level validation, fair value gap, FUs plus POS with not only the current structure, CBOS means break the previous structures. Current structure, previous structure. So if it was bearish, it became bullish now and went all the way up. From here, it's very strong to move up. So this is how we validate. How to act during the news. We have a clean result and mixed data. If the result is clean, like here, now here, till here you cannot catch because you're waiting for confirmation, candle close. When candle close on 15 minutes and result is clean, there is no mixed data, stop loss above, entries, manage your risk, 200 pips gone. You need only to secure 20 pips, 30 pips. That's it for scalping the news. All right, don't be greedy because not all the news will give you the same profit. You can keep runners, it's fine. But news is news. You need to secure as soon as you can and put a stop loss at entry. If there is volume, it should continue without stopping you from the position you have. So when we talk about clean data, means direction is clean. If USD is strong, you need to scalp M5, M15, M30, all sell. The more you delay your entries, the more the volume get reduced. Be careful with that as well. So do not pay attention to the left, say, okay, this is the order block, it should retrace. No, no way. It's news. News is totally different. Okay? News can shift the market, can create new levels. It's like a big truck coming and you're moving with a small car. Okay? You cannot go against the truck. So it's the news volume is like that. Money management, consistency. Now I have a journal sheet. Inside journal sheet, there is a money management. What guys, if I have 200K account, let's say, and then I start taking a small risk to build up to 2%. I need how many successful trades without lose? 9 trades to be winning, and then I go to 2%. What I mean by these rules, do not increase your lot until you are up. When 2% you are up, and then you're getting 0.5, and you know your win rate with the scalping or with the RR, it is keeping you on the top, not letting you go down on the profit side. So that's when you're building your account without emotion. Don't take each setup. I know, okay, your risk is low, but do not take each setup. Go for A+ setup, which you are 100% sure. A, B, C setup, no, A+ setup. Do not, even you are scalping, do not jump for something you saw working for 3-4 days and you want to implement it today. No. When you are saying A+ setup means 2 years of data, 3 years of data you should have. It is not a job. If you have a pattern which is working for 1 month, 2 months, keep it for paper trading. Do not put it on your risk table. This is one. And then when you have A+ setup, 2 years data, 3 years data, and you're taking out of that this risk building account up to 2%, then go higher risk, which is 0.5. You finish up to 7-8%, then go to 1 risk. So if you lose anywhere here in between, you're going slowly back and you're building slowly to upside. So when you're moving slow and smooth, okay, you're going to build account and have money. If you get, let's say, in a month, 3K, 4K USD, and your salary, let's say it was 2K, so now you are doubling your income. Then you can put a risk table, increase your risk. You can put money on the table and gamble the A+ setup. When you see 100% you are sure, you can go, okay, today I'm going to wait for Thursday, which is highest volume, or Wednesday, which is highest volume, or CPI news, which is highest volume. If it's clean data, I'm going to take that M5, M15 continuation. So you're getting that commission. Do not go from the first day. Do not go big. Go slowly. When you lose 1%, 2%, 4%, you will be in the emotion phase. But when you're using 0.25% risk, you're losing 0.25% of your account. You don't have anything to do with your emotion and go against your rules. It's very important. And when we talk about consistency rules, you have, let's say, lot 5 you're taking every day. The lowest rate you should take it's 1.25. The highest lot it should be 10. Don't jump from 5 to 20, from 5 to, let's say, from 5 to 20, from 5 to 0.5. No, you cannot go in the big various of the lot size, because one day you will make 1,000, one day you will lose 2,000 because now today you change your lots. No, do not go with that concept. If your system is not strong, do not trade. If your system is strong, your win rate is high, your RR is good, then you have to have a similar lot size. You can reduce and increase, but within the range, not a lot of changes, okay? So you need to be making sure that your lot size is consistent, your money management is acceptable, and then you can have a good risk management tool, okay? Trade journal, you have 2 years of data here in your trade. Then you know which pattern is working well. This is the trade journal. You need to pay attention to it. I'm not going to details of it. The copy is there on the Google, what do you call Gmail, I already cloud. I saved it there. Everyone can download it. And if you have a doubt, you can ask me. I can explain there because it's very simple. So these are the journal. Now, if you have new strategies coming in, simple as it is, gather data, the old data you took, you learn from, let's say, Grow X, new coach. Okay, add it to your journal sheet. Check for 1 year. It's working. It's worth like you can get confident within 6 months. Let's say the guy is profitable. You make sure he's profitable. Okay, now you want to add this new strategy to your trade, risk calculated, everything you know. Now you take it. But if you are trading gold and he's trading, let's say, Euro USD, and he's working on Euro USD, and then you're taking that strategy to gold and you don't know if it's working or no because you don't have data, don't do it. Every pair moving a little bit different, the algos are different, the reactions are different. You need to be sure that you are following the rules. Do not put new strategies and mix it with your strategy and increase your losing probability. Okay? So I've gone very quickly to all the points. If it's for you new, I'm sure you need to check the recording.